Hello, everyone, and welcome to the latest episode of Fabric Espresso. As usual, this is Filip and this is Salil.
Hi, I'm Salil, and I'm a product manager on the Fabric Warehouse team. And today I'm super excited to talk to you all about our newly supported CRUD APIs that you can use to programmatically interact with warehouses in Microsoft Fabric. Today I have some slides to show you regarding an overview of how to automate your interactions with Fabric Warehouse, as well as we are going to go through a little live demo on how to create a warehouse programmatically through an API. So let's get right into it. What are CRUD RESTful APIs? The Microsoft Fabric REST APIs let you automate Fabric procedures and processes. And so when using automation, your organization can complete tasks more quickly and with fewer errors. This efficiency leads to cost savings and improved productivity. Some of the advantages of using Fabric REST APIs are automating repeat processes with consistency, making it easier to perform data processing on an ongoing basis, seamless integration with other systems and applications, providing a streamlined and efficient data pipeline. And last but not least, for our enterprise and ISV customers in specific, APIs will help you easily scale your solution in a programmatic way. So, what are the APIs that we're supporting today for Warehouse? It is all the basic CRUD operations. So, create item, I can go and create a warehouse programmatically. Delete item, I can go and delete my warehouse. Get item, so I can retrieve the warehouse definition, including the description and the SQL endpoint. And the last one is updating the item. So I can rename all my warehouses. I can update the description of them. I can update the sensitivity label. And last but not least, I can list all my warehouses by workspace as well. Now, let's get into a live demo on how I can create a warehouse through an API. Heading into our Microsoft Fabric tenant, I have just created a brand new workspace. As you can see, there is no artifacts present in the workspace, and now I need to go and create a warehouse. So how do I go about doing this? First, we need to retrieve the bearer token for our API. To do this, we can go here to our developer tools. We're going to enter the console, and within the console, we do a copy Power BI access. RBI access token. Once you submit this, you will automatically have the bearer token copied to your clipboard. Now, let's go over to Postman. Now that we're in Postman, first I'm going to go into the authorization section and type in my bearer token. Once I've pasted my bearer token here, now it's time for me to go and write the API of what I want to do. So first, we're going to set this to post. Second, we're going to fill out the API for the rest, the create API. And then we're going to input our workspace ID. Once we've inputted our workspace ID, now we need to head over to the body section. And within the body section, we're going to give it three parameters. The first one is the type of artifact that you want to create. So these APIs are available to all Fabric artifacts, including lakehouses, pipelines, data flows, and all and so on and so forth. So in this scenario, we're going to show warehouses. So the type is going to be warehouse. The display name, today I'm going to just say it's an API demo warehouse, and then I'm just going to give it a fun little description. Now, let's send the API and see what happens. So as you can see, we have gotten a response back from the API, meaning that the warehouse has been successfully created. So let's head back into our Fabric client and see the warehouse pop up in our workspace. Heading back to Fabric, now you can see that there is a new warehouse in the workspace called API Demo Warehouse, the exact same name that we submitted our API with as well. So now I can go ahead and I can go into the warehouse. As you can see, it is completely empty, and I have a bunch of quick actions to get started and start building out my Fabric warehouse. Today, we just talked about these APIs, which are for CRUD operations for all the artifacts. But in addition to these CRUD APIs for the artifacts, we also have more APIs like the CRUD operations on workspaces, CRUD operations to create domains. You can go and list out your capacities per tenant. You can see long-running operations, and so on and so forth. So we have a bunch of APIs available for you guys to go and leverage today in building out all of your Fabric solutions.
Awesome. It means that now you can automate actions in your Fabric solution. It will help you to streamline your operations to make sure that you do things more quickly and you eliminate the potential room for mistakes. As usual, if you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Also, please make sure that you share, like, and subscribe. As usual, this is Philip, and this time we had Salil. Bye.